I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming your iPad supports split view and that both apps are open. With an app active, swipe up slowly to reveal the dock. Once visible, press and hold the second app icon and drag it toward the screen edge until a black divider appears. Make sure you position the second app on the side you want. Once the black divider shows, release to place both apps in split view. This establishes the split, so you can now remove it cleanly. You now focus on closing the split view by interacting with the divider. Locate the thin vertical handle between the two apps, then press and drag it fully toward the edge of the app you want to close. Dragging all the way to the screen edge will expand the remaining app to full screen. Once done, make sure to release only after the remaining app fills the display. If an app shows a full screen control in its title bar, you can tap that instead to return to one app quickly. Finish by verifying the remaining app is truly full screen and responsive. If you still see two apps, try a quick fix. You can open the app switcher by swiping up and pausing, then swipe the unwanted app off the top to close it. That forces the iPad back to one app. If the divider refuses to move, restart the iPad as a last resort. Power off, wait 10 seconds, and power on, because a restart clears temporary UI glitches that block divider movement.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.